guys, good morning. Right now it's morning, it's 10 o'clock, but I woke up at 6, so I don't know. And I know my face is red because yesterday I was out with no makeup and the sun burned my face. And that's my face without makeup and with a little bit of the sun. Yeah. I said, okay, it's summer, let's make a video, let's do something. Just don't stay like this. I want to make a video, so do something, girl. I just take the camera. My hair is so messy right now because last night I washed my hair and I slept with my wet hair. And I have a bun right here, and that's why it's a little bit like this, wavy, or I don't know, I can't say my hair is wavy, but it's somehow, I don't know how to explain it, but it's okay. So right now I was thinking that it will be good to get ready with me, and I'll do my makeup. My everyday makeup, kind of. Okay, in general, my makeup don't take that much time because I'm running all day in different places, and I don't have that much time to put makeup on my face and beauty products and stuff like this, okay? So today this is what I'm doing. Look at this beautiful cat. Angelica. Psst, psst, psst. Hi. Like this. Nice. So I will start. Oh my god. Is this product. This one. Because it's cute. It's funny because I don't know what to speak about when I'm doing my makeup and I'm filming. So I just tried to film myself while I'm doing my makeup or stuff like this, or cooking.
I think it will be so funny if I will make a video when I'm cooking something. So if you want to see me making something to eat, like food or I don't know, to cook something, just leave in the comment what you want to see. I mean, what food you want to see me doing. This will be so crazy.
Okay, now concealer. I'll put like this. Bam, bam, bam. And now the bronzer is this messy thing right here. And a little bit on my forehead. Neck. Okay, and I'm using the same color on the eyes area. And now the mascara. And I'm using a lip balm, a liquid lip balm. And that's my face. Okay, if you like it, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos with me. And big hugs, and see you next time. Bye!